So how would you like to get paid to lie around all day?
Sold.
How about doing that for a couple of months?
I'll think about it. NASA is actually conducting a 60-day test, observing candidates lying down the entire time. Our Laura Hartman spoke with a local physician and found out why he considers this study dangerous.
Meet Thomas May.
I had coughing and fever, and they put me on medicine.
A patient recovering from bed rest.
Diagnosed as influenza A, so they induced a coma for about 5 to 6 weeks. When they did get me out of bed at Metro there, they had me walk. I took 8 steps, but I was dragging my feet and I was done.
In cases like Thomas's, bed rest couldn't be helped, but physicians say it should be avoided.
Backwards.
If possible.
Oh, you're really asking for a miracle here.
There will be effects for anybody who does that study that go on for months, at least months after the study's over.
NASA paired with the German and European space agencies to observe 12 adults on bed rest for 2 months. The study will help understand and counteract the effects of weightlessness in space. But at what cost?
The astronauts were losing 1% of their bone mass per month.
Which is the same volume of bone mass as a
Postmenopausal woman with osteoporosis would lose in a year.
Within a few months, there are effects on mobility, neurological stability, emotional stability, plus
GI tract, insulin sensitivity, exercise tolerance, your ability to stand up and not faint.
You lose all your muscle tone, everything shuts down for a while.
Ready, we'll do left foot in front.
For Thomas, those 6 weeks in bed will mean several months of recovery.
I wouldn't do it. It couldn't pay me enough.
NASA is putting them in a difficult situation. We are going to cause disease in you. We think the disease is reversible, mostly, and then wave money in your face for that.
That was Laura Hartman reporting. NASA began the study at the end of March, and participants will be paid $18,500. NASA adds that if humans do ever walk or live on Mars, it will be in part thanks to these volunteers.